So the next thing is that for the one other thing about the menu is that if you look at this menu, usually what you see here is this modern looking menu, but the AutoCAD has the traditional menus that it has some commands in there. We may use them in the future. So if you come here and click on this arrow at the very top here, if you click on this arrow and uh, come here to the very bottom of that, it has the show the menu bar. If you click on the show the menu bar, your menu bar is going to be showed here. And if you don't want it, you can go ahead and click hide the menu bar and it's going to move it away. So in some cases, if you see if you open the AutoCAD and don't see your menu bar and you want it, just again click on that and it's going to show the menu bar for you there.